friends, welcome back to my kitchen.
If you are new, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get 2 new mouth-watering recipes every week.
Today's recipe is very unique and delicious, Punjabi Mutton Masala.
This recipe is very spicy and flavorful, and at the same time, it's very easy to make.
To make Punjabi Mutton Masala, I am taking 750 grams of mutton and in goes 5 teaspoons of yogurt or curd. Followed by 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Sprinkle some salt to taste and add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or Ghee mirch and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Make sure that the spices and yogurt is evenly coated
With the mutton,
marinate it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now turn on your instant pot in saute mode, or you can use pressure cooker if you want. Pour 3 teaspoons of oil in it. When the oil becomes slightly hot, put 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 1 red chili, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, and 8 to 10 cloves, along with 8 green cardamoms. Saute for 20 to 30 seconds, then add 1.5 cup roughly chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar with the onion while you are frying so that you can have a very nice color and it will
caramelize the onion faster.
As you can see, the onion has become soft and slightly caramelized. At this point, we'll add 8 to 10 garlic cloves and 1.5 inch ginger. Saute it until the raw smell of
Ginger and garlic is gone.
You can add 2 tablespoons of water if it's sticking to the pan.
I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of black peppercorn.
As you can see, all the water
Has evaporated.
and the spices are well combined and well fried. This is the time to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until tomatoes get soft and mushy. Add some salt to cook tomatoes faster, along with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder.
1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder.
And 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili or Ghee mirch.
Fry all the spices together. After 2 to 3 minutes frying on high saute mode,
As you can see, tomatoes got cooked.
this is the time to turn up the instant pot and let the spices cool down completely before putting it in the blender.
Now, blend it to a fine paste. Like this. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the instant pot. Once the ghee is melted, add 2 bay leaves and 2 sliced green chilies. Once they're aromatic, add all the mutton pieces into the instant pot and fry it.
After 2 to 3 minutes of frying, add our prepared spices from the blender. Fry it another 2 to 3 minutes on high saute mode. Add salt as per your taste. Be careful about putting salt at this time, as we already added salt twice. Add 3/4 cup of water. Give it a quick mix. Finish it off with 3/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder and 3/4 teaspoon Kasuri Methi powder. Mix it well and close the lid. Put it in the sealed position and pressure cook it for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the quality of the mutton. After the steam is released, naturally open the lid and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Check the mutton at this point. My mutton is perfectly juicy and tender, and I'm going to serve it in a serving bowl. Enjoy this mutton with roti, paratha, naan, or just with plain rice. So friends, give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and family. And stay with us for more mouth-watering recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.